All right, so in this video, we're going to go over how to create a Google Ads account. So when you go to essentially create a Google Ads account, the first thing that you're going to see is this screen here. I mean, you can literally just type into Google, create Google Ads account, or just type in Google Ads. We're going to press the start now, and then it's going to take you to this screen here. I'm already here on this one, and I have this sample account here that I'm creating. And when you get here, it's really important to understand that this is walking you through an Express account, which is very, very limited as far as the data, the metrics, and what you're able to do. And you can see this up here. It says Express. So you do not want this type of account. You want to switch over to expert mode. And then we're going to get the full range of the features there. And then we're going to create an account without a campaign, okay? However, let's just quickly walk through here the different types of campaigns, because really what we're doing right now is just creating our account. We have different types of campaign types up here. You can see, such as for selling some kind of product, if we're looking to get some leads, if we're just looking to get some website traffic. This is really good for like the display network for retargeting, personal branding consideration. And then we have brand awareness, and you can see the different types of campaigns, display and video. Display, this is typically going to be the retargeting, where we're getting people to see our ads after they visited our website or our landing page. And then through video, and then the app promotion. So for this, like I said, we're going to create an account without a campaign. Okay, great. Now we're going to set up here our time zone, our currency. We're going to go to submit. Okay, and then we're ready to go. So let's go to explore your account. And this is essentially how it's going to look once you have a brand new account. All right, so now what we want to do is create our conversion pixel here, okay? We want to track all of the different metrics, the KPIs. We want to track all the data, just like the Facebook pixel. Google has their own conversion code. And so what we want to do is go and create one of those first. So let's go to the conversions here. All right, let's get this set up here. And what we want to set up here is we want to track website leads, okay? So let's go ahead and select lead here, because we want to track just the leads that are coming in. And for the example that we're using here, we're using a service for crawl space cleaning. So let's go here and type in crawl space cleaning. That's going to be the conversion. And then let's go down here. And so this is if we want to assign a specific dollar amount, a specific value. We're not going to assign one here. And then here on the account section, we want to make sure that we're just tracking one person that's coming in here. So let's say, for example, if they come in and they submit their information twice, we don't want to create two different leads. We want to just create one lead there for every time that somebody's coming in and submitting their information. And then down here, we have the conversion window. We want 30 days. And then the view through conversion window, we want to set this to 30 days as well. You can see here, a person may see your ad and not interact with it and then convert later, right? We want to be able to track people for as long as possible. And the 30-day window should be sufficient there. So let's go ahead and include the yes for conversions, attribution model, last click. Okay, great. Create and continue. So now what we're going to do is install this manually into our landing page. So let's go ahead and click this here. So now we're here at the page where we're going to copy the actual conversion code, okay? And this is the actual conversion code here. And then we have the actual event down here. So when somebody lands on the landing page, you can track that visitor. And then when somebody actually submits their information and goes to the thank you page, right? Then that's a lead, and that's where we want to also input this particular code here as well. So basically it's going to have us download snippet, and it's just a little doc here you can see, and we're going to copy this, and then we're going to place this into a sample website that I'm using for crawl space cleaning services. So let's go ahead and grab this code here, and then we're going to go over here to our landing page, and we're going to install this in the header section. So let's go ahead and add in our custom HTML, And we can put this right here and then we'll move it. So let's go install that right there. Okay, great. So now that's set up there. And what we can do is move this at the very top, okay? Up here, so it's at the very top there. And then we'll open this up here and we'll go to save work. And so now we can go to preview. And now we can see that we have the actual tag manager over here installed. Let's go to enable and let's go ahead and refresh this here. Okay. So now we can see that we have the Google global site tag. Okay, so now let's go ahead and add the conversion tracking to the thank you page. So let's go ahead and add the first one here, which is the main one here. So let's go ahead and copy this and we'll go to the thank you page here. We'll get this set up here, custom, put it right there. Okay, and then we want to add the other one as well. The event, copy, whoops. Let's go ahead and add that in here. So the tag manager, and then the event, copy. Okay, great, let's go save. And then what we can do is move this up here. Whoops, let's go ahead and to the top. Let's go right here, let's go to save. And then now let's go to preview. Okay, let's go to enable. Let's refresh this here. Fantastic. So now we have the global site tag manager there as far as the tracking, then the Google Ads conversion tracking, and then the remarketing. So this is fantastic. So now we have the tracking here set up for the landing page when somebody lands on the first page, right, which is actually getting the lead information. And then when somebody lands here, we know that they've already become a lead, they've submitted their information, and we're going to track that as a lead. All right, so now let's go to next, and we are done there. And then here we can see the crawl space cleaning, website source, category lead, unverified, and everything is ready to go. So that's how we're able to set up our conversion tracking, just like if we were tracking any type of data through the Facebook pixel. So that's going to be here for this one, and we'll see you on the next one.